Isn't it a marvelously warm and sunny day? Having fun, babies? Oh no! What's happening? The city is covered in snow! Brr, looks like it just got cold. Slow down, babies. That can be dangerous. Wait, what's that machine? Look, a snowman. But who's behind it? Watch out! Zitron's machine changed the weather. You have to switch it off. Careful! Come on! You almost got him! Good shot, Robo! Now get the machine! You did it! Oh no! That didn't work! Any other ideas? Come on, you can do it! The snow is too strong! Thank you for the help, Edna! Oh no! The babies are freezing! Quick, Robo! You have to do something! The storm is too strong! Watch out! This is really bad. Robo! Edna! It's time to fuse. Robo Edna to the rescue! Can you help them? Great job! Now let's stop this winter! Come on, Robo Edna! You can do it! Go, Robo Edna! You did it, Robo Edna! You stopped winter! Car City is sunny and bright again! Yeah! Let's see some stunts! Whoa! Good one! Wow! So impressive! Are you building a sand castle? Oh no! It's a UFO! Babies, run! Guys, a UFO has taken the babies! It's time for Robo! There it is! Robo, be careful! Watch out! Phew, that was too close! Massimo, run! Massimo, your tires are gone! Massimo, watch out! Gary, Walter, run! Robo, you need to stop the UFO. Robo, watch out! Go for it, Robo! Hold on, Robo! It's time! Who will you merge with? Nice! Gary's candy gun and candy gluer. Tom, could you please lend Robo the dinosaur?
Okay.
Oh, you're setting a trap for the UFO. Concentrate, Robo. Great job, Robo. Are you helping babies build the sandcastle? Wow! Sandcastle is finally complete. Hey, Frank. Are you teaching the basics of a fire truck? Siren warns others of a fire. Aha! The ladder helps to reach very high places. Zitron, why do you have a fireworks box? Slow down, Zitron. You'll cause a fire. Oh no! The grass is on fire! Zitron's fireworks have started a fire! Time to merge, guys! Uh-oh, the fire is spreading. Look, Zitron is up there. Careful, Robo. Yes, grab the fireworks box. You did it, Robo! Oh dear, Frank is getting tired.
Hi. Oh, no.
Robo, help them!
Whoa. Okay.
Whew. Thanks, Robo. Oops! Zitron took out the fireworks! Ooh, ouch! Robo, stop him! Robo, watch out! You need to merge fast! Who will it be? Frank's aqua gun, water tank, and ladder legs. Great choice!
Hey! Huh? There!
Woohoo!
Hey!
Great job, guys!
Huh?
Yikes! Zitron is back again!
Hey? Ah!
You got him now, Robo! Nice move, Robo! Are you still teaching Robo about fires? Great job extinguishing the fire!
Cool moves. Guys, Frank is too thirsty to play. He needs some juice.
Hey!
Oh no! Frank is about to land on a rock. Phew. Time to get that drink, Frank. Amber, you look so robotic. Are you okay?
Huh?
What's that syrup for? Yikes! The syrup made Frank sleep in the middle of the road. Wait! Here's the real Amber. Zitron made a robot clone. Amber, don't drink! Zitron has created an ambulance robot that gives cars sleep syrup. Guys, time to merge. That'll definitely wake him up. Relax, Frank. Robo is just trying to wake you up. Zitron's robot gave you a sleeping potion. Wake her up, Robo. Oh no, this is not your lucky day, Frank. Go around him, Frank. Frank, what will you do now? Uh-oh, the robot has got you now. Amber is finally awake, but Frank fell back asleep. Amber, do you have medicine to wake up Frank? Robo,
Hey!
time to stop Zitron and his evil robot. Robo, the robot is right behind you. Get the remote. What an awkward landing, Zitron. Robo, he switched the remote. Where did Zitron go? Uh-oh, it's the sleeping potion. Who will you merge with to keep you awake? Bandage launcher and pills gun will definitely help. Get a pill from the first aid kit to keep you awake. Yes! It worked instantly. Zitron is too focused on the remote. Robo, this is your chance. Bullseye! Good job, Robo! So much fun! Oh, wasn't that a great jump?
Christmas Day is fast approaching. Don't be sad, guys. Santa will deliver the gifts soon. Let's wait for Christmas morning to open the gifts. Santa is preparing gifts for Christmas morning. I think Zitron wants to know what gift you want. Oh, Zitron wants a freeze ray. Yikes! Santa didn't want to be frozen. Guys, Zitron has frozen Santa. It's time for Robo. Robo! Zitron has made a map showing where he is hiding Santa. Guys, don't let Zitron get the map. Dane, use your ball to break the ice. Marley, watch out! Dane, your friends need you again. Great teamwork! Oh no! Dane is about to fall over the bridge! Get him, Robo! Looks like Zitron decided to have his own Christmas. Yay! You found Santa! Robo, get the lights. You need thick tracks on your feet. Who will you merge with? Dane's demolition ball, Crane's gun, and extensible legs? Impressive! Robo, I think Zitron wants the Christmas lights. He's no match for you, Robo. You made it so easy, Zitron. It's over, Zitron. What an adventurous Christmas! Thanks, Robo, for saving Christmas. And Merry Christmas, everyone!